It's raining today. We are going to farmer's market. It's nearby, just like 15 minutes away. You're really not taking me out? Oh, there's a nerve.
Look at me.
Wait. I want to tell you something. There's a nerve.
Wow, I have so many. We'll buy it on the way back.
I hate walking on this.
ਚੱਲੇ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ
पेन नवा कार्ड है पेन मेरा भुल गई
जी Are you speak Punjabi?
हाँ जी
Thank you.
I just took it down.
Oh,
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Just come, just put it in a bag. I wanna have sag. I wanna make sag. Hello. Oh, you wanna have dried tofu? No.
Tofu raw?
Nah. For each, and it's a good one. Okay, can you show me how much did you spend?
207.
This morning we spent almost around $300. Now we're gonna go home. Let's go and get the coffee. They're closed.
Can I have one oat milk mocha? Take away. I got a strawberry matcha.
Thank you so much. Thank you.